about it. Wacha tusome. The book of Nehemiah, chapter 4, from verse 1. When Sanballat heard that we are rebuilding the wall, he became angry and was greatly incensed. He ridiculed the Jews. And in the presence of his associate and the army of Samaria, he said, "What are those feeble Jews doing?" You hear that? Will they restore their wall? Will they offer sacrifice? Will they finish in a day? Can they bring the stones back to life from those heaps of rubble burned as they are? That is how the wall was there, and they had seen how the beautiful the wall was. But when after they knew, and they hear that the Jews, they were rebuilding that wall, they were saying, "Can they do this? Can they do this? Can they are not." They were saying impossibility. The people there outside, they can see impossibility in their lives. They say, even the marriage is not studying, the life, the health, his finances and all these things. Will he be able to rebuild his? Will his life become fruitful again? They will have a lot of doubts. They can speak many things. The way these enemies, or we call them enemies, or these people, they were against the Jews when they were building the wall. That many people, they will talk. Kwani atarudi tena? Vile alikuwa, familia yake itarudi tena, maisha yake itarudi tena. Huyo hawezi. Maisha yake imeharibika. The way they would laugh about us. They have been running about us. When they hear you are here, and when even outside, like Adam who is going outside, kuna watu watauliza yeye maswali waseme, will he build? Will he go back to school? He cannot be able to. We are just giving him 1 or 2 months. He will go back to where he was. You can hear a lot of things. The way these people, they were doing. So, the way these enemies, they were saying to the Jews, and they were putting a lot of doubt about them. The same case, that even when we are sitting here, there are voices that still come to us. Unaangalia huko nje unasema, "Auntie yangu atanibelieve. Will they believe me? My father, my mom, will they trust me again?" Those voices that you used to hear there before, wanakutusi, they tell you, "You are useless, we don't love you." Many people, they would have said many things about us. But those are the voices. And sometimes when you sit down here, you would hear them. Will I make it? Will I make it? Let's hear. Tobiah and Ammonite, who was at his side, said, "What they are building, even a foe climbing upon it, would break down their wall of stones." You hear that? Hata ile ukuta wanajenga, hata boya akitoka huko nje, akipandilia tu hivi, itaanguka. Hiyo ni kumaanisha nini? That they are building something that is very weak, that even something that is very, very weak, that nobody can be able to, it cannot be able to stand. To protect, or the purpose of that wall could not be able to stand. And that's the doubt they were putting. Na wanaongelea, lakini walikuwa wanakaa pamoja, wanacheka, vile wakikuwa wanaweka pale, wanawachekelea, they would laugh. Hata ile ukuta wanajenga, ni ukuta ya aina gani? Hiyo hata bweha itapata juu na iharibu. Kwa hivyo ni kumaanisha, even ukigonga teke moja, hiyo ukuta haiwezi simama. The same case that people would say many things about us. That hiyo maisha yao haitarudi tena, hata wakienda rehabilitation, nothing will. You will hear a lot of things. And you would expect a lot of things as we journey. But here we are building our wall. Here we are building our lives. Here we are strengthening. That if you read the story that way, Nehemiah went back to God, and he said to God, "Hear us, O our God, for we are despised. Turn their insult back on their own head. Give them over as plunder in the land of captivity." That is the prayer of Nehemiah. After all that, hakuenda kujiulizia kwa hao watu, mnasema nini, ati mnatuambia nini. No, he went back to God because he knew that his strength and the fight that he is fighting of building that wall, of building our lives, is in God. Nehemiah would go back to God and tell God, "God, hear what they are saying." The people that were on the side of Nehemiah, they would say, "God, hear." Because they knew the battle that we are fighting, this battle is too much for us if we go to fight physical. Tukienda tuseme tutapigana na hao watu, hata pengine wako na vitu vingi ya kupigana kuliko sisi. But when they knew that our strength, our everything is in God, we are relying on God. We are not relying on anything else. Nehemiah would go back to God and tell God, "God, hear what they are saying to us." The same case we are here. We are praying of our lives. That even people they are speaking there out, hata akitoka rehab, sijui nini, all those things, we are praying that God restore us back.